Hello everybody and welcome to my video on nested for loops. So the first part of your warm-up this week is I want you to type this code in and then think to yourself, what would the output of this code be? So what would be the output of the function print 6 stars? Then write a function print 6 stars that calls print 6 stars in a loop to produce the following output. So you're going to use the code I gave you, and then you're going to make it do this. And then you're going to rewrite the function print stars square without using print 6 stars. Note that there are two ways of getting the above output. Just try whatever you need to. So that's going to be the end of the warm-up. So go ahead and pause the video, work on that stuff, and when you're done, we'll continue. So what was the output of the 6 star function? Well, print 6 stars, let's run it and see what happens. It does exactly what the name says. It prints 6 stars. So what you needed to do in order to get the six stars, the square of stars, was by using what's called a nested for loop. So let's take a second and look at how this works. Whenever we start with a function, the first thing it does is it looks to see whether or not a condition is true or false. So if any of the conditions are false, then it converts to false and ends it, and the loop's over. Now if it's true, then the function gets started. It does something. It changes the it does something, then it checks to see if it's there's remaining elements in the loop. If there are, it goes here and it does it, and it keeps doing this until there's no more elements to be checked. Then it ends the loop. Few things to know about this is that for iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop is iterated through completely. For a nested loop, place the second loop immediately after the controlled statement of the outer loop. And the second loop is called the inner loop. So here is the inner loop over here. So how did you do that part?